Hello guys, welcome back to my another MS Paint tutorial. In this video, I will draw the Eiffel Tower with a dusky background. This tutorial will be a little bit hard, but if you watch this tutorial carefully, it will be easy for you. So let's start. First, set the page size as 97 into 552 px. Now select pencil and red and draw a rough sketch of the Eiffel Tower. Now select line shape and black and draw over the red rough sketch. Now select eraser and red and use right click on your mouse. Now fill with black. Now cut the Eiffel Tower as transparent selection. Now open a new MS Paint window. Now go to the select and select transparent selection. Now paste the previous selection. Now go to the main MS Paint window. Select yellow and line shape and draw on the canvas. Now use medium yellow. Now orange. Now dark red. And last use black. Now go to the resize. Select pixel, anti aspect ratio and put horizontal value 1. Again go to the resize, select pixel, anti aspect ratio and put horizontal value 97. Now go to the select and select entire canvas. Now hold the lower line of the selection and drag it to the upside of this canvas. Now copy the selection, paste it and rotate it as flip vertical Now adjust the selection to the lower side of this canvas. Now go to the other MS Paint window. Now select the Eiffel Tower and cut it. And paste it on the main window. Now adjust the selection to the middle of this canvas. Now use black and line shape. Now use dark red and crayon brush. Medium dark red. Now use red. Now use natural pencil brush. Now select more dark red. Select line shape and black. Now select circle and yellow. To draw these trees, use dark green and medium dark green. Now use natural pencil brush and medium dark red. Hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and bye.